Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super common iPad issue. Your device keeps shutting off unexpectedly. Whether you're in the middle of work, streaming your favorite show, or just browsing, this problem can be a real headache. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward fixes that could get your iPad back up and running in no time. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, but these tips work for most recent iPads too. First things first, let's start with the basics. Often, the culprit is a drained battery. Check your iPad's battery level by going to Settings, Battery. If it's low, plug it in with a genuine Apple charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Make sure the charging port is clean and free of debris. Sometimes lint or dust can cause issues. Next, if charging doesn't help, try a force restart. For most iPads, press and hold the volume button and the power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. This can clear temporary software glitches that might be causing the shutdowns. It's like giving your device a quick reset without losing any data. Now, let's look at software updates. Outdated iOS can lead to instability. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Apple regularly releases patches that fix bugs, including those related to unexpected shutdowns. Another potential fix is managing your apps. Overloaded background apps can drain the battery fast and trigger shutdowns. Go to Settings, General greater than iPad storage, and check for apps that are using too much space or running in the background. Uninstall any you don't need, or force quit them by double-clicking the home button, or swiping up from the bottom on newer models. If your iPad is overheating, that could be the issue too. Place it in a cooler environment and avoid using it in direct sunlight. Also, ensure your device's case isn't blocking vents. Lastly, if none of these work, there might be a hardware problem. In that case, visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider. They can diagnose issues like a faulty battery or logic board. There you have it. Simple steps to fix your iPad from shutting off. Give these a try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.